And now it is. So we wanted to make a YouTube video. We're gonna rip off the homosexual ghost by the lesbian ghost, because we're girls. We can't be gay. We can't be homo.
Let's ding dong to somebody's house and then put it on YouTube. Totally.
We're just thinking of ideas now. We can't do it by your house, dude. Your parents will bitch.
Nuh-uh, not if we ran into that little spot where the dog is.
Anyway, I'm Riot.
I'm Secret.
And we're really bored.
Oh, yes.
And, yeah. So we're just gonna walk around, making random YouTube videos. This is Secret's lovely neighborhood.
You mean suckish neighborhood with all the rich bitches?
Right, hardcore. And then it's a cul-de-sac. The house. Oh, look, sprinklers. Awesome.
I want to see the sprinklers.
So yeah, we're really bored, and she's moving soon to Texas because she's retarded, and now she's gonna go run through some sprinklers. This should be awesome. Awesome.
Holy crap, let's go.
Awesome. Awesome.
Let's go.
We should walk up to the school. Whoa.
Ah, my boobs are vibrating.
Ooh. Probably should not have happened. Let's go to the park.
Why?
Go get some shoes on. There's always guys there. Something guys do not understand about chicks is we're just as crazy about guys as you are about girls, and wow. I just had to get that. So...